There are some incredibly talented people out there, but then again, we're HVAC mafia. And we can do anything. But we are the king of the trades. Nominees for the Best Social Content Award are Ernesto C. Fuentes, Eduardo Felix Diaz, and Chris Stevens. Let's go! You know it. Ben put this sticker on too. Too tight. Chris Stevens, let's go! Where you at? HVAC R videos, let's go, baby!
Thanks, man. This is really cool. I never expected to win something like this. This is a really cool award. I encourage everybody out there to do the same as I do and try to share the little bit of knowledge that we all have. You know, we will never know everything, but I just try to share the little bit that I have. I'm not amazing at anything, but I just do my best. So thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. So.